Good morning, everybody. It's not the first time I had the pleasure before the audience. Okay, before this audience. Today I will speak about one little topic of my whole theory. This is the examples of ion 26 isotopes, how they have acquired the atomic nucleic binding energy.
Like it's a computer.
Yeah.
No, computer.
La Bluetooth est là.
Point at the computer.
Ah,
C'est bon.
It still doesn't work. Hit the space bar.
now wait a second.
Okay.
It went very well. You took it. So which one should I use now?
Je lève le bras.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Comme à la pétanque.
Yeah. So several authors predict that alpha particle structures could be present in atomic nuclei. There are convincing arguments of such structure, and I am of that opinion. So for me, to calculate the binding energy of the several nuclei, there is a first point to consider. This concerns the alpha particle binding energy and its relationship with those of deuterium, tritium, and helium-3, which are nuclei pre-existing that one of helium-4, actually. So the second point I consider is to see if these three binding energies play a role in the bonds between the alpha particles binding a nucleon of an alpha particle to a nucleon of a second one. For more detail, please refer on my poster presentation. I have two poster presentations, one devoted to the general theory and the other on iron I will now present. So according to my theory, the nuclei of the various elements are constituted with alpha particles and other nucleons grouped in order to create subnuclei linked by four types of bonds. I have called for facility NNP, the binding energies of deuterium, which is NP, tritium NNP, helium-3 NPP, and NN are linked through the following equations. So for more details, please refer to my poster presentation where it will be shown that the hypothesis of the structure of the N-alpha nuclei can indeed describe the binding energy systematics. In such approach, the system in its ground state behaves like a crystal with stationary configuration and shape and with defined bond values between the various particles. So according to my hypothesis, to my theory, the binding energy of every nucleus is the sum of the binding energy of its different substructures and the binding energy among these substructures.